There's a new silica dust code of practice for the construction industry starting 1st of May 2023. It applies to all construction work as well as manufacturing of materials such as bricks, blocks, tiles, mortar and concrete. The code gives practical guidance on how to protect workers from exposure to respirable crystalline silica. This can be done by using tried and tested dust control methods that prevent silica dust from being generated or being released into the air, including water suppression and on-tool dust extraction. Appropriate respiratory protective equipment, air monitoring to check dust controls are effective, health monitoring, and consultation, training, education, instruction and supervision. Visit worksafe.qld.gov.au to read the full code.